Okay, this is gonna be very quick. Here's Paul Ruett from Tumbling Quink. How to do this one kind of quickly as possible. The background's all swirly pink. This is what he looks like right now. Finished it off last minutes ago. He's a kind of an awesome robot designed to help people have eyes light up, and you can see the lines there. You can't see it, can you? Nope. That's an awesome smile. With personality. He can fight back. He can also fly with a jetpack behind him. You just don't see it. But he can help Jack in the most stressful way possible. When it's too hard for him to handle, he can always carry him places to places. With the simple, friendly background chalkboard design. Just gonna make this one less than 2 minutes shortly. Because there's not much else to say about this character on how cool he looks. I always wanted to do a toy of him, but I never got enough time to do him at all. He's a plainly simple robot who can fight back with his own fist, not with weapons, with his own cartoon glove fist. He's a tall, skinny robot, and he's a pretty awesome character that's created by GoodTuber, or to give him a personality, feelings, like a regular being does. I find him a pretty great character I thought of a long time ago, since 2003. 2003. Thinking that would be a good companionship to Jack's best buddy robot. Have a happy face on him. That he's kind-hearted, good kind of robot. Anyway, so see you guys tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Yeah. Alright, see you then, everyone.